this part. How was this first ever welcome call after getting into my coaching? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very good because I have learned how to pick a good product, how to
Mhm.
promote this, and the calculating of Google AdWords,
Mhm.
and the offers are so good. I think if we promote, we can generate sales. The method you are showing me, it's I think really helpful to us for gets the sale.
Fantastic, fantastic. So usually, the thing is that when a student goes through an information that is value packed, that is proven, this is what he says. Now you can clearly see after going through the information in my one-on-one mentorship, you can clearly see that this method will clearly generate the sales. And and that is going to happen definitely. So thank you for giving me that feedback. um